So here's how to fix Roblox assets not loading. So first you wanna right click Windows icon, click on the run command, and then in here type %sign updata %sign again. Now press enter. And in this folder you wanna go back to updata, and then go to local. And in here you wanna find Roblox folder, right click on it and delete it if it exists. Next, you want to click on the top here and type %sign temp, %sign again, press enter. And in here, you want to find Roblox again. If you find a folder, right click on it and delete it. Now you can simply close this one, and then you will need to open your browser and then go to roblox.com. And in here, you want to click on any experience in the home tab. Then click on the play button, and you should be prompted to download and install Roblox again. So click on this and then wait for it to download. Now once it downloads, you should double click on this to start installing Roblox again. Now you can simply right click on the Roblox player and then click on run as administrator, and that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.